All right, for the next two examples, we are going to list out the factors like we were doing before to factor by GCF, but then after these two, I'm going to show you a little bit of a shorter way. Okay, so let's list all the factors of 3x. So I'm going to start with 3, so that's 1 times 3. 2 cannot go into 3. I'm back at 3 times 1, repeat offender, and then I just have 1x. So all the factors are 1, 3, and an x. Then I'm going to look at 6. So I have 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, a repeat offender. So all my factors for 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And 6 does not have an x, so I do not have to list. Of those numbers, I'm going to look for the biggest one in common, which is a 3. So my GCF here is 3. To factor out the GCF, I'm going to put the GCF on the outside of my parentheses, okay? And I'm literally going to divide it from each term. So 3x divided by 3 is x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you have just factored by GCF. Let's go look at our next example. So this one, I've got x squared plus 2x. I'm going to start with x squared. And my factors of x squared are x times x. Let's go to 2x. So I have 1 times 2, and then 2 times 1, and then I have 1x. Okay, so I'm going to list all. So for x squared, I have x and an x, and I have 1, 2, and an x for 2x. My greatest number in common is actually a 1, and then they each have 1x. So my GCF is actually x. So I'm going to divide out an x from each term. So x squared divided by x is x. 2x divided by x is 2.